Hi guys! Welcome to my channel Programming Lab. We are here from you providing the best for you. Let's start with the introduction. Firstly we are talk about the types of the programming language. 1. Object-oriented programming. 2. Functional programming. 3. Procedural programming. 4. Logical programming. 5. Database programming. Then we talk about various programming languages. 1. HTML. 2. CSS. 3. JavaScript. 4. Python. 5. Java. 6. Ruby. 7. ASP.NET. 8. C. 9. C++. 10. C#. 11. J. 12. J++, 13, J#, 14, Kotlin, 15, Objective-C, 16, Objective-J, 17, PHP, 18, SQL, 19, VB.NET. Please like, share and comment.